everyone. Myself Alind Agarwal, and I'm a final year master's student here at JKLU University. So my journey started with I was preparing for NEET for medical entrance examinations in Kota, and some things happened in my life. So my career path changed towards design. This happened during COVID times, and this was the time when I got to draw something, design this logo for Ayodhya Development Authority. Like they had a competition and I participated. I designed my logo. I took 3 days and it was finally completed, and it's now being used in whole of Ayodhya. So yeah, this was my very short journey that I completed, and then I came into design. I had another plans. So yes, I'm also running a company of mine now, but I'm very thankful for all this opportunity that God has given me. Thank you.